Alright, so now guys, back to our drawing here, the right side view. I taught you this trick last time, right? I said, well, look here, you don't have this distance given to you, right? This was a problem. We didn't have this distance given to us. But what did I say? I said, if you look at this edge, actually from the side, this will come in the same line as this edge. These two edges together will make one line. فهذا يعني if you have this point, this will come here, right? So if you have this point, you can actually make this line. You don't need to have this distance with you. هل هذا واضح يا اخوان? Is this clear? Can I repeat? Okay. The problem was that we didn't have this dimension. It's not written anywhere. All right? And I said that you don't actually need it because we see that this edge and this edge are part of the same slope. It's part of the same surface, right? So this edge and this edge are actually part of the same surface. They should be at the same angle. And when you see them from the right, they will appear as one line, right? And how can I make that line? Well, if I can make this line from the right, it will appear this way. So can I make this line? Yes. And so I will have this point, and I will have this point, and I can just join them, right? So that was our technique for making this surface, right? So let's do that first of all. This is 10, this is 80, and then another 10, right? I'm going to explode. I'm going to explode this rectangle, right? So what does the explode do? Now if I click on it, each line is by itself, right? Each line is by itself, right? Let me delete these two lines because I know there is nothing so high in my drawing, right? Let me delete these two lines and let me make here, what should I make? This 15, right? So let me make here this 15. And on the other side as well, there is 15, right? And then this one, to make this one, I need to be from the middle. I need to be in the middle here. Why? Because this object, as I said again and again, I keep saying again and again, it's symmetrical, right? So if this is 52, the middle of this line is the middle of the object, right? So for that, I need to be in the middle here. And where is the height? What is the height here? It's 30 plus 15, right? So line 30 plus 15 is 45. I'll make a line at 45, right? Why did I make this line at 45? So that I can get the height of this edge, right? I can get the height of this edge, al-irtifa', right? Now this edge itself, its length is 52, right? So I'll make a line here, 52. Okay, I just made it anywhere. Because why? Because I can catch it and I can say move. And we will catch it from the, where will we catch it from? Middle point, right? And we'll put it here. This way we know that the middle point of this line is actually at the middle of the object, right? Now I don't need this line anymore, I can delete it. And what I can do is, I can join this with this. Something is wrong. Line from here, 45, right? No, seems okay.
You forget the...
Yeah, I have to make these. I have to make these 15. These are actually 28, right? So I have to move these by 10 here and 10 there, right? Now it looks correct. Okay? And then these were actually 28. If you look at the dimension here, you see 28. So this is actually 28. Okay? Now I have a surface. From here to here, I have this surface.